staying in an Oceanview room 1307. So as you walk in, you see that we have a couch. It does pull out. I believe that this is also a bed. They give you complimentary towels. Very nice touch. And we have a bed. I believe this is bigger than a queen, smaller than a king. It is, you can separate them if there's two people in this room and they don't want to share the bed. We have a bedside table, beautiful uplighting, another bedside table. There's quite a bit of storage in there. And then if these were separated, then the switch here, that would be in the middle of the two beds. So that's actually nice. I like that each person now can charge their phones or their devices versus only one person would have the charger. That would be my husband. So that is really nice. So right across from the bed, you have the TV and you have some additional storage right here. It's pretty big. You have your water, and then this is the most important part. You have two outlets here. You have a 220 here. This also controls the lights. Storage here, and then you have your phone with additional USB plugs right here. So I know they updated this ship, so these are some really nice updates. So when you walk in, you do have your thermostat. You get to control the temperatures in your rooms. And right here you have your closet. Standard closet. We have a backpack up there. You have your safe. And then I guess you can hang your longer dresses, things like that. And for now, until we get our luggage, I put my backpack. When you come, you'll see you have another closet. So I guess even longer items can come in here. And you have a full-length mirror inside here. One more. Oh, that was a nice surprise. Tons of storage, my goodness. And your light vest. All the storage you're gonna need, especially we are just on a 4-night sailing. So if we come through here, here's the bathroom. Pretty spacious, I think. Pretty standard. You have your shampoo, shower gel, a place to put a bar of soap, clothesline. I love a clothesline for your swimsuits, things like that. Storage here. You also have additional storage here. Waste basket, extra tissues, extra toilet paper. Pretty nice. A lot of counter space. So Can't go wrong with that.